Welcome to your latest updates for Scotland from the Met Office. Some really remarkable conditions at the moment across the country. Very, very mild, windy and in places very wet. We've got this rain affecting the northwest. We do have a Met Office yellow warning in place. We've already seen 40 to 60 millimetres of rain. A further 40 to 60 millimetres of rain is possible. And in some places over the hills, we could see 100 millimetres of rain or more. And the fact that that rain is building up over the next day or so could cause some further issues. So as I say, we do have a Met Office yellow warning in place. So rain across the northwest, it doesn't really move very far, perhaps just threatening at times to bring a bit of wet weather to Glasgow and maybe some patchy rain further east. But the main focus, the brighter colours there, persisting across parts of the Highlands, particularly Skye and across the Western Isles. At times there'll be some rain across the Northern Isles, very gusty in the northwest, and actually the winds elsewhere pretty lively at times, especially through the early hours. It will be another exceptionally mild night across the northwest, maybe temperatures dipping down to 10 or 11 Celsius, but elsewhere potentially record-breaking temperatures with many towns and cities staying in the teens. So a very mild but also very blustery start to Friday. The winds could get particularly gusty across the southeast and parts here, particularly the A1, could see some really nasty crosswinds. So we also have a Met Office yellow wind warning in place through Friday morning here. That rain warning still in place during the morning too. Probably a dry start through the central belt and across the east coast. We'll see some sunny spells along the Moray Firth, and here we'll have some really remarkably high temperatures. The rain may come the afternoon start to ease from the Western Highlands, certainly from the Western Isles. It looks drier through the afternoon as that rain pushes south down towards Glasgow. Before the cloud spills in across the Moray Firth, temperatures, as I say, could reach 16, 17, possibly even 18 Celsius. And generally we're looking at highs of 15, 16, perhaps 17 in Edinburgh with a bit of brightness here. So again, very much well above average for the time of year. A little cooler further north and west, but still here we're above the average for the middle of November. A bit more of that rain across the south during the course of Friday evening. It starts to pull away from the central belt, but it will then move back further north as we head through Saturday. So starting off dull and damp across the southern uplands, that rain spreads through the central belt and then drifts northwards. It will be fizzling out as we go through the afternoon. Again, we've got southerly winds, but a slight shift in direction, and it won't be as strong, so it won't be quite as warm on Saturday, but still temperatures in the south where it brightens up 15, 16 degrees above average for the time of year. As I said, it won't be as windy on Saturday, but there will be that rain edging northward. Sunday will be similar, could be a bit misty and murky on Sunday. Lighter winds, but generally dry across the country. For a full weekend UK forecast, make sure you subscribe to all our YouTube channels.